Derivative of a composite function or the chain rule. Okay, to find the derivative of a composite function, we have to follow the rule right here, which is the f of x is equals to g of x. So that is f prime of x is equals to g prime u of x times the u prime of x. Like for example, if we have here f of x is equals to 5x 5x squared minus 11 raised to 2. Okay, so we're gonna write the derivative, which is f prime of x, and to find the derivative of 5 close and open parenthesis 5x squared minus 11 raised to 2, or our g close and open parenthesis u of x is this 1. So we simply write the exponent here, right here, then we write the inside parenthesis, which is 5x squared minus 11, then times the inside derivative, which is the derivative of u of x, that is 5x squared minus 11. So we know that to find the derivative of that one, that is 5x squared minus 11. So 2 times 5, that will give us, then 2 minus 1. 5 times 2, that give us 10 x 2 minus 1, so this is understood 1. Then derivative of the constant, that is 0, so we have 10x. So the derivative of 5x squared minus 11, that is 10x. Okay, now we're gonna multiply this 2 times 5, that will give us 10x squared, and then 2 times negative 11, that will give us negative 22 times 10x. Okay, now we multiply this one with this one. 10 times 10, that will give us 100 x squared times x, that is x cubed. Then negative 22 times positive 10x, that will give us negative 220x. So now we have our final answer.